Now we're talking. Hotel Belgorod right here. Look at this thing. All right. I'm losing track of days, but I think it's Wednesday morning. And we're leaving Belgorod, the center of the city. Belgorod. A little behind, but now we got an hour to travel to the farm to finish our installs. All right, time to go. We'll be checking in later. All right, we're back at the farm here. It's about 9 a.m. 9:30 actually. We had to call and coordinate some parts to make sure all the parts that are coming are the correct ones. Anyway, they're going to order some parts from John Deere. Thankfully, there's a good John Deere dealer. I think they have them in stock. Got a lot to do, and guess what? There's still only 2 guys here. What's up with that? We need to have more people. Hopefully we'll get it on. So, the seed boot bolts are stuck. They had fertilizer usage and it just locked them up. So he's spinning them free with our high torque impact. It's a lot of work though.
Arman, добрый день. Слушай,
just so we can get the boot bolt out.
Хочет что-то спросить срочно. Скажи, этот не уехал еще, Александр, который из этого, из Михайловского. Я передаю.
We're verifying we're getting seed boots. Hey, Arman. Hey, I just wanted to verify that seed boots were in the order for Michalewski. Okay, thank you, Arman. Excellent. Bye. All right, got that figured out. Just want to make sure that the correct parts were coming from Voronezh. Several hours drive, so we have no room for error. I had to use somebody else's cell phone just to get signal.
You solved the problem, yes?
Yeah, boots are coming. Let's just knock the bolts and the boots out.
What range do we need? Just help Grigory to use the tool.
I propose we just break them off and make it as fast as possible.
Значит, смотри.
Or a torch.
Саш, есть предложение.
Maybe I'll give it a try, huh? Should I try? Okay, this hammer or this hammer? That's the question. We'll see which one works better. They're not extended wear boots, so they're probably not going to break it. I don't think this is going to work very good, actually. Nope. Yeah, we're going to have to torch them off. We're going to have to torch those off. They're ductile cast boots. They're not extended wear. So the extended wear ones break right away. This is so much work. Where's my air chisel when I need it? That's what I should have brought to Russia, is an air chisel. And an air compressor.
Matt, let somebody do this. Don't bother.
I'm just trying one row to make sure we know what to do next. I'm not looking forward to this. So many problems, so many challenges. It just goes to show you, if you wait to rebuild your drill until it's completely shot, until it's completely worn out, it is way more work to rebuild it. It's way more work. Of course, an air hammer would be better too. If we had an air hammer, it would probably pound them out pretty fast and you wouldn't expend so much energy to do it. But you can see that there's a lot of damage caused by not maintaining your equipment, even in a reasonable amount of time. And this is a perfect example of that. We see this a lot in Russia. I see it sometimes in the United States, but most of the time, guys there don't put as many acres on and they're maintaining more often. These guys put 12,500 acres on a year. So they gotta understand, hey, I need to do some rebuilding every year, every other year. We're installing a new one of the boot pivot bushing. This fixes the boot slot. There we go. That's how it's done. And now we'll put a new bolt in there. Should work good. But I admit, we are very frustrated.
Me especially.
We are very frustrated because
We have people, but we have no labor.
we have many guys, but nobody's doing anything. Maybe one person.
Then we will smoke.
So if you look behind me, you'll see all kinds of people, but they do nothing.
Talking.
They do very little. So drink, smoke, you know, the Russian way. Drink and smoke, even smell like alcohol. So nothing. It seems like this is the slowest rebuild I've ever done in my entire life. Maybe it would go slower if I was by myself, but I don't know. It might not be. We have a couple good guys. The tractor drivers are really good. They're very focused. They know that their job depends on this, and they know that we're helping them. But everybody else who comes, it's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's all I can say. Unbelievable. Other funds, we threw a ton of bodies at it. They all worked hard. Yeah, they took breaks and they smoked, but overall, this is unbelievable. They're just not going to have us here every day to help get them done. We're going to show them how to do it for one row, and then we're going to go and they're going to have to finish it on their own. We'll give them tools. We'll help them provide the tools they need to do it properly, but then they're on their own. The cart is in. The cart is in. So we're going to change out one of these meter housings. This is a hydraulic drive version. So now that they have it in the shop, we can start to work on this. It's a 270 tow between. Good thing they don't have a sensor that reads off of this because it's all busted up. I'm guessing we're changing this tank since it's most corroded. Oh yeah. Parts are on their way. Finally. This one doesn't look as bad. We've got a stainless steel cart rebuild we're going to do. Just one tank and the tubes, I believe. This is how we're going to go about doing it. First start with lubricating fluid to get the bolts off. Well, this thing's on fire. Is it out? Ah, trying to start the cart on fire. Okay. Well, there goes my drinking water. That was fun. There's a lot of leaking hydraulic oil over there, and it actually started on fire, and they didn't see it right away, so we had to throw some water on it. But seems like we got the bolts torched off. What a pain. Okay? No, like sharp knife. This knife isn't going to be long enough or sharp enough to get through the foam seal. I'll try it, but I doubt it. Oh yeah, I guess it will. I am mistaken. It's the first time I've ever been wrong.
No, I worry about the wires which is burned. Who's going to replace it?
I don't know, they'll figure it out.
But they have no specialist for this.
Then they can rewire it. Ready? Good riddance. Well, while he gets those out, sorry to flash you. This is what the meter housing looks like. Yummy. It's not the worst ones I've seen, but we're doing preventative maintenance a bit. And here's the top view. These bolts, we had to torch that one, of course. Impact, please. Let's keep working. Okay. Other side. Yes. We got it. So here we go. So I'm going to get a water or a Coke, American Coke. What do we have here? All right. Oreos. Golden Oreos. Yes, I will. And here is where I hide my Coke. In the cooler. Hopefully it's cool. Yes, there it is. But let's bring one of these just in case. Yes. See that? Snickers in Russia. Nikorn Opex. Obviously that's not right because it's in Cyrillic. There we go. Alright. Back to the workshop. I'm loaded with the good stuff. Well guys, the parts just arrived. These are the ones that took 3 months. 3 months to get across the pond and to clear customs. This is good news. I don't even know how to open this, but I'm so excited. I don't know why it took them 5 hours or more to get some Bronish, but it did. Ah, this is Odliczna, which means excellent. Yes. Oh, look at these beauties.
Валера, Саша, Александр, привет. С дочкой пообщался, все привез.
Yes. Let's see what's in here. Oh, my beauties. My little babies.